Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you 3 tips to improve your Google account security. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then on getting to your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your Google name. Then proceed to your Google account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on search Google account. So it's going to take you right here. One of the first way to make sure your Google account is secure is to make sure you enable your two-factor authentication. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply click on two-step verification. Then you'll be taken right here. If your Google account has not been fully secure with two-step verification, it is high time for you to make sure you enable it. Once you enable it, each time any external device want to have access to your Google account, Google is going to send you an authentication that someone is having access to your Google account, and from there you can deny access to your Google account. So this is one of the first way to secure your Google account from intruder. Another way to secure your Google account is with your phone number. So I'm going to simply click on here. Now, if you have not been linked and verify your phone number with your Google account, it is high time you do that. Just click on that and make sure you had your phone number. Code are sent by text. So each time an intruder is having access to your Google account, by verifying your phone number, Google is going to send you a verification code to the account. And if you are not the one that want to have access to the account, you just have to decline the access. And with that, you are fully protected by Google text verification. This is the second way. And the very last one here is to simply go back and make sure you have access to go back and make sure you go to security. So simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to security right here. So click on security. Then from the top right here, your account is protected. If your account is not protected, you will see a cross red sign right here. And what you need to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to enhance safe browsing for your account. So simply click on that and it's going to take you right here, and make sure you turn on this particular button. And with that, your Google account is fully secure and you are good to go. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.